This is a consonant sound. You can hear it at the beginning of the word light, in the middle of the word valley, at the end of the word bell, and at the beginning and end of the word level. Now you try. Listen and repeat. Light, valley, bell, level. Okay. Speakers of some languages may find it difficult to tell the difference between this sound, l, and another consonant, r. Now listen carefully to hear the difference between the following two words and watch the position of my mouth. Light, right, light, right. I make the l sound with the front part of my tongue behind my teeth, and I make the r sound by making my lips come out and pulling my tongue back. R. Now listen to some examples and watch the shape of my mouth. Lead, red, clash, crash, climb, crime, lice, rice, lock, rock. Now you try. Listen again and repeat after me. Lead, red, clash, crash, climb, crime, lice, rice, lock, rock. Okay. In English, l at the beginning of the syllable is a bit different from l at the end of a syllable. Listen carefully. Leaf, feel, leaf, feel, and let, tell, let, tell. Did you hear that little difference? Listen again. L, 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 l. Now for some speakers of English, this can change the vowel a little bit. Listen again. Loaf, foal, loaf, foal, and lute, tool, lute, tool. Now this can actually make the l sound disappear at the end of a syllable. So I can say pal or pow. I can say pill or pill. Mile, mile. Milk, milk. Cold, cold. So be careful, there's a bit of a difference.